Hello students, let us start our second chapter, which is Principles of Management. After doing the first chapter, Nature and Significance of Management, there, if you remember, we did Management is a Science, which is having various principles. Before studying these principles, let us understand the meaning of principles. What are these principles? So students, nothing else, principles are the general guidelines for decision making. General guidelines for decision making means if a 5 to 6 persons are to be employed in an organization, then it is a general guideline that they will be paid equally. There will be no biasness if their work to be done by these persons are same. Yes, that their remuneration will be different, their salary will be different if they are having a different nature of job. But if the persons they are having same qualification, they are to do same job, then they will be paid equally as one and other is being paid. So the principle of equity provides this guideline that this will be the behavior of management. Like it can be understood with another example that if there is a vacancy in the organization and that vacancy is to be fulfilled and organization has decided that this vacancy will be filled within the organization's resources, that's why a person from a lower level is being promoted to next level. But now the question is, at the lower level 3 to 4 persons are working, but there is a one seat to the upper level, only and only one seat to the upper level. Now the question is, among these 3 to 4 persons, who will be promoted? So the organization decides to promote that person who is senior most, means who is having more working experience. That means an organization has followed the principle of merit. So that is a general guideline for decision making, that a person with maximum experience should be promoted, so which will become a principle of merit. Now the question is, techniques and principles are same things? No, techniques and principles, they are somewhat different. Techniques are the procedures or methods which involves a series of steps to accomplish a desired goal. Procedures or methods that you have studied the procedure of formation of a company. Means if a company is to be formed, first promotion work will be done, then incorporation work will be done, then the capital subscription stage or the capital flotation stage will be there. Means it will not be like that, first the capital subscription, then incorporation, and then promotion stage. First of all, in each and every case, the promotion work will be done, promotion of a company will be done. That means a series of steps will be followed. Like this, if one job is to be done, one work is to be done, there will be several steps of doing that work, and we have to follow these steps in a serial order, in a series of order. But principles, these are the general guidelines. These are followed while practicing the various techniques. Means while following the various techniques, one or other principle may be followed. Now, next, values versus principles. Means sometimes there is a confusion between values and principles also. What are the values? Let's see. Values, these are something which are acceptable or desirable. Acceptable or desirable by whom? By whom means it is acceptable or desirable by the society. Values are some general behavior, general rules of behavior which is formed for an individual. Like, value is respect your elders. Value is there should not be any discrimination between male and female in any area of work. But the principles, as you can see, these are the general truths, these are the general guidelines, and these are formed by the researchers after having a detailed research in various situations. Now, we will study the principles of two philosophers in our chapter. One is F.W. Taylor, that is Frederick Winslow Taylor. He was a founder of scientific management, and other one is Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol has given the general principles of management and administration. Let us have a look on the lifetime of F.W. Taylor. This is not too important for the purpose of examination, but still we should know about his history because we are going to study his important principles. Lifetime was March 20 and 18, March 20, 1856 to March 21, 1915. He was basically a mechanical engineer. And as he was a mechanical engineer, so he did his degree from Stevens Institute of Technology in 1883. And he was having various positions. This you can see. Thank you.